In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view email password in Outlook laptop. If you've ever signed into Outlook on your laptop and asked your browser to save the password, there's a good chance you can view it again right from your browser settings. That's what we'll do now using the built-in password manager. This is helpful when you need to sign in on a new device or set up the Outlook app and can't remember what you used. Start by opening your web browser on your laptop. We'll be using the browser's menu in the top right corner. Look for the three vertical dots near the address bar and click them to open the main menu. From here, head into the section labeled Password and Autofill. This is where your browser stores saved logins, addresses, and payment details, and it's the quickest path to your saved passwords. Next, select Google Password Manager. This opens a dashboard showing all the website credentials your browser has saved. You'll see a search bar at the top, which makes it easy to find exactly what you need. In the search bar, type Outlook or Live.com. Outlook accounts can be saved under a few different Microsoft domains, so don't worry if you don't see it immediately. Try variations like Outlook.com or Live.com, as those are commonly used for Outlook webmail. If your Outlook sign-in uses the same credentials as your Microsoft account, you can also search for Microsoft.com. Many people use one Microsoft account for Outlook, OneDrive, and other services, so the entry you need might appear under that domain. Once you locate the correct entry, click it to open the details. You'll see the saved username and a password field that's hidden. To reveal the password, click the eye icon next to it. For security, your computer will likely ask you to confirm your identity using your device password, PIN, or biometrics. This step protects your information, so go ahead and verify when prompted. After that, the password will become visible on screen. Take a moment to double check you're in a private space before revealing or copying it. Avoid doing this while screen sharing or around others, and consider copying it directly into the sign-in field you're working with rather than writing it down. If you don't see any Outlook or Microsoft entries, it probably means the password wasn't saved in this browser on this device. That's it. You've successfully found and revealed your Outlook email password using your browser's password manager. Keep your credentials secure, and you'll be ready to sign in wherever you need.